Hi everyone. Today we'll break down the major GPT models, from GPT 3.5 to GPT 5, what each one can take as input, text, images, and more, and which one fits your workflow. GPT 3.5 Turbo. A legacy chat model from the GPT 3.5 era, known mainly for being lightweight and widely used historically. Its standout trait is that it was optimized for everyday chat workloads rather than deep reasoning, and OpenAI now positions newer small models as the better default choice for that role. Its usable memory is roughly 12,000 English words of context. GPT-4, an older, high-intelligence GPT generation that became the quality reference point before long context and omni models became standard. Its special trait is careful instruction following and stronger reasoning than 3.5 era models, but it is not the modern default in OpenAI's lineup. Its usable memory is roughly 6,500 English words. GPT-4 Turbo, a GPT-4 era upgrade that made long context practical for mainstream work. The key differentiator is how comfortably it can keep large documents and long chats in mind compared to GPT-4. Its usable memory is roughly 90,100,000 English words. GPT-4o, OpenAI's Omni flagship for general use, built to handle text plus images and produce structured, reliable outputs across many tasks. The big difference versus GPT-4 Turbo is that OpenAI positions it as the best all-around choice for most work outside the dedicated reasoning line. Its usable memory is roughly 90,100,000 English words. GPT-4o Mini, a small, fast, cost-efficient omni model that still supports text plus image inputs and is designed for high-volume production. The standout trait is that OpenAI explicitly frames it as a modern small model replacement that can outperform older budget options, and it's also positioned as ideal for fine-tuning and distillation workflows. Its usable memory is roughly 90,000 to 100,000 English words. GPT 4.5 Preview, a preview release that OpenAI later treated as deprecated, which makes it different mainly in lifecycle status. Its historical role is as a transitional model during a fast-moving period of iterations, not a stable long-term main pick. GPT 4.1. OpenAI positions this as the smartest non-reasoning model, emphasizing strong instruction following and tool calling with low latency without a reasoning step. The defining difference is the huge context capacity for reading and working across very large material in one go. Its usable memory is roughly 780,000 to 800,000 English words. GPT 4.1 Mini, a smaller, faster tier in the 4.1 family, aimed at giving much of the same practical reliability at lower cost and latency. The difference from GPT 4.1 is the efficiency trade-off, while staying in the same non-reasoning category. Its usable memory is roughly 780,000 to 800,000 English words. GPT 4.1 Nano, OpenAI's first Nano in this family, built for maximum efficiency and throughput. The special trait is making long context workflows possible at the smallest tier, where you want speed and cost control more than peak capability. Its usable memory is roughly 780,000 to 800,000 English words. OpenAI o1, a reasoning-first model line introduced around the idea of spending more time thinking before answering, aimed at harder multi-step problems. The key difference versus GPT-4o and GPT 4.1 is that careful reasoning is the identity of the model, not just good chat. Its usable memory is roughly 150,000 English words. OpenAI o1 Pro, a higher compute version intended to be more consistent on difficult reasoning tasks. What sets it apart is the willingness to spend more compute to reduce mistakes when the task is genuinely hard. Its usable memory is roughly 150,000 English words. OpenAI o3, a newer reasoning model described by OpenAI as pushing state-of-the-art reasoning forward, with strong performance in math, coding, science, and visual perception. The difference from o1 is its positioning as a more advanced reasoning option and stronger tool-aware behavior. Its usable memory is roughly 150,000 English words. OpenAI o3 Pro, a higher compute version of O3 for improved response quality on complex tasks. The core difference is the same pattern. More compute, more consistency, typically at the cost of speed. Its usable memory is roughly 150,000 English words. OpenAI O4 Mini, a small reasoning model optimized for fast, cost-efficient reasoning, especially in coding and visual tasks. The special trait is bringing reasoning mode into an efficient tier, and OpenAI explicitly describes it as succeeded by GPT-5 Mini. Its usable memory is roughly 150,000 English words. GPT-5, positioned in OpenAI's model lineup as a frontier model for coding and agentic work. The key difference versus GPT-4o and GPT-4.1 is its emphasis on agentic tasks and higher-end workflows, rather than general chat alone. Its usable memory is roughly 300,000 English words. GPT-5 Mini, a faster, more cost-efficient GPT-5 family option for well-defined tasks. The difference is the family strategy. Similar direction as GPT-5, optimized for scale and speed, and positioned as the successor tier over O4 Mini. Its usable memory is roughly 300,000 English words. GPT-5 Nano, the fastest, most cost-efficient GPT-5 family tier, meant for very high-volume usage where latency and cost matter most. The difference from Mini is pushing efficiency even further. Its usable memory is roughly 300,000 English words. GPT 5.1, a GPT-5 family model positioned for coding and agentic tasks, continuing the trend of offering controllable thinking effort behavior through product and model choices. The difference from base GPT-5 is iteration and refinement within the same family direction. Its usable memory is roughly 300,000 English words. GPT 5.2, a featured flagship in OpenAI's current lineup, positioned as best for coding and agentic tasks across industries. The key difference is that it's treated as the current top general agentic option in the GPT family. Its usable memory is roughly 300,000 English words. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.